In this video, let us see about a inbuilt package in Python that is called as regular expression module. So how to import this module? So I'll just quickly go there. So just you have to write import re. Let me just zoom in a little bit. Okay. So import re is the library that we are going to use in today's video. So I have imported re and I'll just run this cell, and after that whatever program is needed I'll write. So first let us use the function that is find all function in the from the import all library. So how the find all function is going to work? So for that, let me create a string here or create a sentence here, then I will see that how it is going to work. So let me write a text. So let the text is it's not raining now in India. So let's say I'm just creating a string here. It's not raining in India now. And around this text, we'll try to do some find all and other functions. So how to do something with that? So basically, we are going to search for a pattern in the string, or we are going to search for particular combination of letters in the string. So how do we do that? So let's create a simple one. Let me create one variable here, which is result, and the result is some function that I want to operate on the string. So I'll write re dot find all, and that is a function. Now in the function, I need to pass the arguments that I want to create. For example, I want to search a pattern where a and I is there as a combination of characters. So it will only search for a and I as a combination of character. And in which string I have to do? So I'll be doing it in the text variable or the text that I have created now. And then I'll print this result. So whatever result is generated, I'll print. Now if I run this, what is coming? You see, now in the total sentence, AI is there only for only once. Okay. Now that it is just giving me that the result is AI. Now instead of India, let me use a country name where AI is there. Let me use Spain here. So if I now run the code, so see the AI is coming for two times. That means one AI combination is here, another AI combination is here. So this is a combination of what it is trying to search. Simply I can search for IN also. So instead if I write IN, then it will tell there are three IN is there. So here is one IN, another one is in here, another one is IN in the Spain. So basically what it is doing, it is searching for a particular combination of word in a string. Now let us take another example also what we can search there. If before that, let me tell what is the type of the result we are getting. Means if I am getting the result as output variable, the type is list. So whatever it searches from the regular expression, it creates a list for that. Fine. Now in the same thing, if I want to find something is not available in the list, let's see what happens there. So here let me write India. I want to find if India is there in the list in the string or not. So if I run this, then it will create a empty list for me. So this will not be a error or the variable is not created, nothing like that. So it will create one empty list for me. So in this way, what we can do, we can use the find function, find all function in the RE. So for that also there are some other examples. So let us see that also how to do. Let me create a new text here again. Some interesting example will take. So let the text is the cat and the hat sat on the mat. Let's say one type of word I am going to write like this. Then I am going to create a pattern and I will search this pattern. So let me just create a pattern here. That means a particular kind of pattern I want to search in the particular string. So I'll create a pattern, and pattern is obviously a like string. So you have to write R. Then inside the quote I have to write whatever I want to write. So here I'll write slash B. That means it is a boundary of the word. That means whatever I am going to search, so before that and after that nothing should be there. It should only be searching for that particular pattern. So I'll write boundary. Then slash w I'll write. So what is that slash w means? That means it is going to search for a word. So if I am searching something, it will tell me the in which word the value is there, and in the word I'll write plus at. That means wherever there is a word, along with that at is there, at combination letter is there. So I'll search that and I'll write bound here. That means it will start searching whatever the word is there. So W doesn't mean the word is starting from W. W means it can be the, it can be cat, it can be and, it can be anything, but it should be ending with AT here. So that is what is the meaning here. Now how to search that pattern in the list? So what I'll do, I'll create a result again. So result is equals to re dot find all, and in the argument I'll pass the variable pattern because already I have created the pattern. So I'll search for the pattern, and where I am searching in a text variable there that I have created. Now if I run this, and I'll print this code as well. So if I print result, so see wherever there is a AT inside a word, so cat, yat, sat, mat, so all these are the words where the AT value is there as a combination, and it is searching where it is searching in a word. And what is the meaning of B? So B is for boundary, that means start with the word and end of the word, so it should not give me anything else. Fine. Now if I remove this one, let's see what happens. Now it is going to search a word where WAT is there. So if I run, this is also giving me the same answer. So without or without boundary also you can do, but sometime what happens, I need to create a boundary that the word will start from a specific letter. If I want to create like that, then I can do it. So this is used for that. So next is we'll see some how can I search a particular number in a list. So let's see that. I'll create a text again. So let me create the text as X phone number is, let's say I am going to write 123 hyphen 345. So this is a, let's say the number format is there, and Y phone number is, let's say another variable I'll create. So three numbers with a hyphen separated. I'm considering that this is a phone number. Now I want to search is what are the phone numbers available in the string directly. So what I can do, I'll create a pattern now. So this pattern will be equals to, so what I want to create, I'll just write that. So this pattern is, so a specific value I am searching for, and the specific value is a digit. So slash d is for digit, and I am searching for a combination of three digits that is written in the curly bracket, and then hyphen is there because any three digit, then hyphen is there. So I'll just write hyphen. After that, again I am searching for a combination of three digit here. Fine. So if I write this, then what will do, the take a result equals to, and I'll re dot find all function I am going to use, and inside find all I am going to pass the argument as pattern here. Okay. In the pattern, what I'll do, I am going to search the pattern in the given text, and then I'll print this pattern. Sorry, print the result here, not the pattern. So if I print the result now, I am running this code. So there is scanning with literal. Okay. So this spelling mistake is there. So this error is okay. I have not ended the quote here. That's why it's showing the error. Fine. Now see what happened here. It is searching all the possible combination that I have created here. Now, if you give a number which is, let's say, three digit is not there, in that case it will not give me that as a phone number. So here I need to, whatever I need to search, I need to create a pattern for that, and I can search inside the pattern. Now let's say if you want to do something like a email ID I want to find from a text. So how to do that? Let's see. Let me create a text here. So the text is equals to um, email me at like something at the rate email.com. So I am just writing like this, right? So this is a email address here. Now I want to search that any email address in the string, can I get it? Okay, so how can I get it? Let me create a pattern first. So the pattern is, I am going to create a pattern which can search a email for me. Okay, so I'll just write r slash, and then what pattern I want to create? I want to create a boundary. So that means it should only create a boundary around the word that I'm going to search, and in the boundary I'll search that the value can be a to z. It can be any letter, capital A to capital Z. Then without any space, I'm just writing the value can also be small a to small z. Okay, it can be anything. In email also you can have numbers. So let me write here one something 1 2 3, fine. The email can have numbers also. In that case I will find that is 0 to 9. So see, if there is a letter, so here I don't have to create this one. Okay, now a to z, capital A to Z, small a to z, or 0 to 9, if all these things are there, after that there should be a at the rate. Okay, there should be at the rate, and after that the same thing should be there. So I'll just copy this part. So only this part is required. So I'll just paste it here. Okay, so what I have done here, anything, any letter, combination of letter and a number, then at the rate should be there, and then there should be a combination of that. After that what should be there? There should be a dot. Okay, I am searching for a dot there, and then I'll put all this comment, means it can be anything else after that also. And then I'll close the boundary and then close the quote here. So this is the pattern I'm going to search. Now if I write result equals to so here re dot find all, and in the bracket I'll just write pattern comma text. So what it is, I'm going to print it also. So if I print this now, I'll print the result now. So the it is returning a null value for me because it is somehow it is not getting. Okay, so what's the error? Let me just check. I am searching for this one. Okay, so this at the rate is actually addition to that, so that's why I have to write a addition there. Now you see it gets the email ID for me. So this starts with any letter from A to Z, or small a to Z, capital A to Z, or it can be any number there. Then along with that at the rate should be added, and after that I am searching for any number, or if a small letter or capital letter is there. After that it should add a dot, and after a dot it can be anything from a number. Generally after the rate the number is not there, but here just for example I have shown that. So now in the text, if I write or, let's say, let me write or here, or another email. Okay, any other email if I create. Now if I search it, so it is just giving me the value. So it is also in the, still it is giving me the first value, but it should be giving both the values for me. That is why, because here I have written 0 to 9 also. So if I write a number here, that is still not working. Actually here what I have to do, I have to create a curly bracket to comma this one. So I think, yeah. So for what I am going to search this kind of pattern for 2 times. Okay, so find all will give me only the, by default it will give me only the first time occurrence it will give me, but I need two such combinations, or I am going to search for two or more combinations are there. In that case it will give me two results. So let me add one more email here. Let's see. So if I write anything at the rate dot anything, if I write, now if I run this code, then it will give me the last value also. So it can search me another email also. So whatever the email content is there in the text, it can give me all those values. Okay, so this is how you can search a particular pattern in a find all function. So these are the basic, some basic things in the find all in the regular expression you can do. In some next videos we'll see that how what other things you can use in the find pattern, and what are the other applications we can do with this. We'll see that in the subsequent videos. And there are some other functions as well, like search and substitute also, so that we'll also see in the next videos.